Hi, this video is totally on the Reploria that I have created, and this is an extension that used for AI writing and different like reply generation for the LinkedIn, X, or any platform. So basically, it's used in any website where we want to like add the text or want to summarize the text that already have been in the website. So firstly, we let go to the Chrome Web Store, then search for Replora, and then here's the command extension. Click on Add to Chrome. Continue the and add extension. Okay, so the extension has been added to the Chrome. So this page appears where we can set up the this AI assistant. Now click on get started. After that, here is a URL for Grok. Go for that URL and create your like API key over here. Like I'll say Replora, and we can just select no expiration. Yeah, here is the API key. Copy that key and let's go again to the page here and paste that API key and validate. So once it validate, it asks for the your style, like which style you want to create it a text. You modify the text. So I will just select the professional, complete the setup. Here you can like enable the microphone permission. That microphone permission is used to like text to speech to text basically. If you don't want to write anything, you just go to inputs input panel and just there is a mic icon, and on click on that mic icon you can just speak what you want to write, and then you got the option like what you want, like insert the text, fix grammars and other we'll see in this video. So that's for this. And once we like yes, allow, and after that here you can change the API key. After that, brand wise it's a premium feature, and the writing style you can change anytime, and the subscription. So here are some plans, but in the free plan you can like try it like with 30 10 AI replies a day, 10 summarize, 10 reparagraphing, and the also there is a feature of history. Like once you like created the reply and you want to like revisit that reply, like what I have written, I need to reuse it. So you can go to the history and check it up. Here you can like create an account. You can go to a sign up, email, password, then go to a sign in and enter that password. It automatically locked you in. And you can, if you are from the India, you will see the QR code for the subscription plans. And if you are outside the India, you can see the PayPal payment options over here. And here you can see the all the like your plan and the limit for the day. It's basically a daily limit, not the monthly. And after that to see like once we have like installed the extension, now we just refresh the LinkedIn. So suppose like this is a post, I'm saying the post, but I want like to summarize what is in the post in easy language basically. So I have just select the post, and here is a button appear for the summarize. On click on that, here is a bullet points like summarizing the all the specific uh, post content what uh, in the easy language basically. So here is all, and you can see there is another button for the reply. Like I want to comment on this post, but I don't know what to comment, like I don't getting any idea how. So it will like on clicking on the reply, it will open the window of the Reploria, and you can see the writing style you can select and the text you have selected. Then just like in the professionally I have just create the reply. Here you can see like you have used one summarize. Yes, we have used the one summarize over here. It will check the post, finalize, quality check, and also it will do the humanize, so it doesn't look like a AI generated reply basically. Sometimes it takes some time, but yeah, it will generate the reply. So here is a reply that he has generated. We can just click on the copy to copy all the text over here, or just select the text and control C. Here you can like regenerate the reply if you don't like this. Also you can see there is we have used one reply out of 10, and then we just go to the comment section and just paste the reply like this. Also, like we have like I have tell you that there is a specific mic button. So when we use this mic button, like here, hi, I have liked your post. So once you have like speak all your text, just click again on this. So here is a text that you have spoken, and also you have some get some option like insert as it is, like what I am said, and fix grammar, enhance in professional way, in clever way, in conversational way. So I'll select like fix grammar and post, just converted and inserted into the comment box. So another feature is here is like when we select the text, we also got here, like once we just added some text over here like garbage test, or like I like your post, but I want to like write it more professional way. So I just select the text and click on the professional, and it converts it to I appreciate your post. So this feature is come under the rephrase or the grammar. So here you can see we have used two of them. So yeah, that's all for the uh, Repliora. And if you like this, please give it a rating, give a 5-star rating and your comments. If it doesn't like any of thing or want to like report a bug or something, you can directly contact me to the in the LinkedIn, or I am Simarpreet Singh at gmail.com. Also there is a feature like history that we have spoken about. So here you can see the reply that we have generated. We can like create a favorite, so it comes under the favorite. Also we can just copy from here or delete from here. Yeah, you directly like go upgrade and just upgrade from here also. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you.